Looking for a concrete mixer but not sure which one to pick? We've tested and ranked the top models so you don't waste your time or money. At the bottom of our list is the HIGOSPRO mixer. It's not a bad tool, but when compared to the rest, it just doesn't hold up. This one is aimed at lighter tasks and smaller batches, and it shows in the specs and the way it performs. You get a 4.2 cubic foot drum and a 0.60 horsepower motor. Not the strongest, but good enough for mixing up mortar or lightweight concrete for DIY jobs. It's got a decent mixing speed and the whole unit rolls around on wheels, so it's easy to move from one side of the yard to the other. But here's where it starts to fall short. The motor is underpowered for heavier mixes, and several product listings show inconsistent or questionable data. One even claims a 35 horsepower motor, which just isn't realistic. There are also concerns about build quality and long-term durability, especially for serious or frequent use. If you're just starting out or doing light home projects occasionally, it might do the trick. But for anyone tackling larger jobs or wanting a tool that'll last for years, keep watching. The next options are stronger, more reliable, and much better suited for the work ahead. And hey, you'll find links to every mixer we reviewed today down in the description, all at the best price. Coming in next is the BILT Hard Mixer, a slight step up from the previous one, especially if you care about performance per dollar. It's compact, efficient, and perfect for those weekend backyard projects or small jobs around the house. It packs a solid 0.74 horsepower motor, the same as some of the higher-end mixers, and while the drum is a bit smaller at 4 cubic feet, it makes up for that with portability and ease of use. It's designed in a classic wheelbarrow style, making it super easy to roll across your worksite without breaking your back. Of course, it's not without its downsides. That smaller drum limits how much you can mix in one go, so you'll be doing more batches. And while the motor power is there, it's not built for heavy, continuous use like some of the more premium models coming up next. If you're a homeowner or casual DIYer, this mixer is a smart choice. Reliable, straightforward, and priced right. And before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tool reviews like this. In the middle of the pack, we have the Stark Mixer. It's got a larger drum at 5 cubic feet, which sounds great at first glance, but under the hood, it's only packing a half horsepower motor, which holds it back from reaching its full potential. This model shines when it comes to size and build. The steel construction is tough and durable, and the direct drive gearbox means fewer parts to break or maintain. With a wide 25-inch drum and a max load capacity of 270 pounds, it handles medium-sized pours fairly well. That said, the limited motor power slows things down. Compared to others with similar capacity, it just doesn't mix as efficiently. And even though the drum size is big, the usable mixing capacity is only about half of it, something to keep in mind. It's best suited for people who need the size but aren't working with dense, heavy materials all day long. It's a step up in volume, but don't expect heavy-duty performance from this one. Now let's talk about the TABU mixer, a serious contender with some serious power behind it. With a 5 cubic foot drum and a 0.74 horsepower motor, it's built to handle decent loads while staying easy to maneuver. What makes this model interesting is its high drum speed, clocking in at 2800 RPM. That's significantly faster than most, which means faster mixing if you're working with light or medium weight materials. Plus, it's got a practical wheelbarrow frame and standard electric hookup, so the setup is simple and mobility is great. But that high RPM can be a double-edged sword. For heavier mixes, the speed might be too aggressive and could splash material if you're not careful. It's great for lighter use, but might not give you the precision or control you'd want in more demanding tasks. Overall, this is a great fit for folks who want a little more mixing power but aren't dealing with super thick batches every day. It balances convenience with capability really well. Just know what kind of materials you'll be working with before jumping in. At the top of our list is the XtremepowerUS mixer, and it's clear why. This one strikes the perfect balance between power, durability, and usability. A sweet spot that makes it ideal for both pros and serious DIYers. With a 4.6 cubic foot drum and a solid 0.75 horsepower motor, this mixer can take on everything from patio pours to driveway repairs without breaking a sweat. The gear-driven design is a major bonus. It eliminates belt issues and gives you more reliable performance over time. Compared to others, it's got just the right mix of capacity and power. Not too big, not too small. And the 25 RPM drum speed is smooth and steady, perfect for even mixes. It's not a commercial beast, but it definitely punches above its price range. If you want a mixer that's easy to use, tough enough for regular jobs, and designed to last, this is the one to get. XtremepowerUS nailed it with this model, and it's the reason we ranked it number 1. All the top concrete mixers we reviewed today are linked in the description, so check those out for the best deals. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got more no-nonsense reviews coming your way.